Hi, my name is Lily. I'm 5 years old and studying K3 at Girls School. When thinking about play and kind, I think of my family. I live in my big family. My grandfather, grandmother, my auntie, my mommy, my daddy, and my little brother. He's 2 and goes to K1 at my school. His name is Ray, like a ray of sunshine. I'm ready to be kind of play for my family. I love playing with Ray, but of course we often fight over the same toys. Sweet, food, or even the same spot on the bed. But my mom always reminds me to say please and sorry, even he's my little brother. So instead of fighting with him, I would say, can I play this toy? Or sorry to save our food? Or please move to the other side of the bed. When I say this, I think we fight less, and he's now to say the same to me. I also learned that sharing is a magic thing. When my grandparents share cookies with me, and of course I say thank you. They are smiling and look very happy. I also like sharing with Ray. Not only he's happy and smiling, but suddenly there's a rainbow shine in my heart. I think if everyone in the world were just a bit kinder and more polite, there will be a happier place. That's I'm a happy family home. So, thank yourself. Have you been kind of place today? Thank you for listening. Bye bye.